Forgotten your Assurance Wireless voicemail PIN? Don't worry, it's easily reset. Since Assurance Wireless primarily uses basic phones without app support, the process is phone-based. Here's how. First, dial 86 or your specific voicemail access number. When prompted for your PIN, press Instead. The system will guide you through options. Select the one for settings, usually option 3. You'll likely be transferred to a customer service agent. They will verify your identity, often using your phone's IMEI number. Once verified, your PIN will be reset to a default, such as 1234 or the last 4 digits of your phone number. Remember to change it immediately after logging in. This process typically takes 5 to 10 minutes. Note, there is no online portal for PIN resets. All resets are phone-based, due to most phones being basic. Make sure to be in an area with good signal to connect to customer support. To avoid future PIN reset hassles, create a memorable but secure PIN during your initial voicemail setup. Avoid obvious choices like 1234. Record the PIN somewhere safe. Be aware that repeated incorrect PIN attempts may temporarily lock your voicemail. If you're in a rural area with poor signal, reaching customer service can be challenging. A factory reset of your phone, *228 for programming, will erase voicemail messages, so it's not a recommended solution. The FCC provides free training videos in partnership with Assurance Wireless. Search Assurance Wireless Voicemail Basics for more info. While voicemail technology is evolving towards app-based solutions, Assurance Wireless lags due to its focus on affordability and basic phones. Look to their website or FCC for future developments.